Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Truist account is locked, don't panic, you can unlock it safely. First of all, go ahead and open the Truist mobile app, and then you're going to go ahead and tap trouble logging in once you've opened it. Then verify your identity using your registered email, phone number, or username. Follow the instructions sent through your email. Check your email. Now, if you don't see your instruction that was supposed to be sent to you, try checking your spam or junk folder or your promotion folder. Sometimes they get stuck in there. Then answer any security questions correctly. Make sure to answer it correctly for ignoring further interruptions. Then, after verification, your account will be unlocked and ready to use. Always ensure your credentials correctly to avoid repeated account locks, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.